Today I'm working on my AC unit. Because the bus is at a little bit of a tilt, the drain is over on this side. There is a drain on this side, but it's capped off. So what I plan on doing is running another tube off of this side into the drain itself, so if the bus is a little bit on its off kilter, it'll still drain. And I put some L brackets at the top here, so if I'm driving and I hit a bump, this thing's not going to bounce up and fall off. See, this drain right here is plugged. You see this little nipple right here? If I was to pull this out, I'll bet you all that water is going to drain out as well. But what I need to do is that insert's right here. So that's perfect, right where that's at. Because that's where the main pipe plugs into the unit itself. So I need to get a T for here to go into right here. That's what I need done. Because the way the bus is sitting, it's actually sitting at an angle right now, because where I'm parked at is not the best. What it does is that the condensation drains off and it comes over here. It doesn't go to the main drain over here. So when that fills up, it just overflows. So if I put a T here, when the water drains, so if I'm not perfectly level, I don't have to worry about it causing water everywhere. It should drain out that hole there. So, all right. It's been a couple of days with rain and everything, so here's my plug. I'm gonna pull out. I hope, because the only T I could find was this one here. Apparently Lowe's doesn't sell the old ones anymore, so you have to buy these long ass, dumb ass things. Of course. It should do. Yeah, I don't want to chop that last little bit off there. I'm gonna have to chop that off. I'm gonna have to. Alright, got it cut down. Dumbass. So the bus is still at a lean. I mean, it's not a big lean, but I mean, you can feel the lean. So we shall see if this starts leaking. I'll be back in about, I'd say probably 5 or 10 minutes whenever it really starts kicking up. I'm gonna go outside, look and see if it starts dripping. And I'm gonna check back in here and I'll keep you updated. It's dripping. That means if it's dripping out here, that means it's working. Look at how quiet this thing is. This thing's been running now for about 45 minutes. Got a nice pool outside and I got 0 drips. So that did fix it. Awesome.